Plugs into OEM Radio. Power 4 speakers. Reverse wiring harness for select GM vehicles, 14/16 way. For select 1986 to 1998 Honda and Acura vehicles. Plugs into OEM radio. Power 4 speaker. 16-pin connector. Harness is designed to plug into the factory radio. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect match and high quality. The product was used for a car stereo wiring system. It worked perfectly. The exact match and the wires were correctly labeled and of a good quality. Great replacement reverse harness. I got this thing without knowing if it would fit in my '92 Civic or not, but I am glad it did. The reason I got this was so that I could put in my new stereo system. Unfortunately, the previous owner had wired the aftermarket head unit directly to the wires in the car. In other words, there was no harness or reverse harness. So after separating the wires and attaching this reverse harness to the car's wires, I was able to do a clean install of my new head unit. I was also super stoked at how cheap this part is compared to the dealerships that I asked around at.